Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, Zomboss, and today we're going to be playing some more Picket! What a way to start this off. I just died. Now, as I was saying, we're going to be playing some more Puppet, and if you guys don't remember the last episode, Slapshot managed to beat Chapter 1 of this. So, yeah. We're gonna see if I can try to beat this, and, yeah. Now I just gotta wait for the chapter to end. For this match to end or something. Okay guys, so now we're going to be doing the second chapter, which is prison. Right. Let me out of here! Maybe there is a way to escape this prison. That was what I was trying to, well, do. Alright. I'm ready for this. Okay. Just gotta find a way out of here. Alright. That literally took me here. So we need hammer and key card. Okay, I took the board. Oh, shoot! At least we got the key card. Oh god, 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 no, 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 no. What do we need the board for? It's for upstairs. Ah, it's Elmo! Get away from me! What do we need for... It's not for the... If a board's not for upstairs, then what's the board for? Ah! No, 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 no. Ah! Crawl, crawl, crawl. I think I'll use the green key. No, you no, 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 no. You get away, get away, get away. No! Come on, don't come in, don't come. Thank you. Don't move. You can't see me if I don't move. Please don't move, please, please. The green lock is right there. And Elmo's right there. So stupid of me. Wait for the next match. Okay guys, so apparently the voting for chapter 2 of Puppet failed, and apparently I had to skip the the one server and go to another. So apparently I'm now playing chapter 4. It's called Lake Cabin. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh! Is that Oscar? That was Oscar the Grouch. Oh god, no, 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 no. Get away from me. I'm out of here. Close the door. Need the hammer and the wrench. Wrong way. Don't tell me Oscar is in here. Don't tell me that. Give me the wrench. Give me the hammer. We need this for the boards. And there we go. Now the wrench. Oh, never mind. She already got it. There we go. We did that. Now what? We need the code. We need the code. Don't tell me we gotta go all the way back here. Oh, shoot! Oscar! No, get away from me, Oscar. God, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Open the door! Get me out of here, get me out of here, get me out of here. Go, 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 get away from me! Get away from me, Oscar! Get away! The code's right there! It's an orange key. Wait, an orange lock. Where do we find an orange key, man? Oh my god. Okay, never mind. She's already got it. She already got it. Oscar, you get the heck away from me. Close the door. No! No! Oh, thank God, Get away from me! Somebody help me! Oh, we got the key. We got the gray key. Yes. Alright, go, go, go. Get the key in here. Now we just need the gasoline. Oscar's gaining on us, man. Well, hurry up. Get in here. Get in here. Oh. Psych. You trigger! You trigger snapper! Oh god, Oscar is getting on us! Get away from us! God. Oh my gosh! Time has already run out. You've got to be kidding me. We were doing so good. Thanks a lot, ATCGIR. This is all your fault. You're a troll. You're a crooked troll. You are so much a troll. Oh my god. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, so now we're going to make sure that we don't get trolled. By the way, guys, yes, the troller is now the killer. You already found a pickaxe. I was about to grab that gear. Of course, this is for that. There we go, repaired the power switch. Which one? Let's go with the blue key. Blue key, blue key, blue key. Alright. Where do we find a blue lock? Oh, jeez, it's Elmo. It's Elmo. Gotta get the bear to fish. But how are we even gonna do... Oh, no, 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 no. Elmo's right here. Leave me alone. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm gonna die. No! Thank God. Come on. Yes! Unlocked it. Guys, there's nothing here. Are you kidding me? What type of lag? Alright. Okay, gotta make sure that... You better not be tricking me. You better not be tricking us. Where you at, bro? The dock. Okay, good, you got the fish. You got the fish. Alright. Okay. Give it to him. Give it to the bear. Thank you. Seriously? Someone left the game? The troller left. The troller left the game. I'm literally about to lose my mind. Okay, so apparently Audie says is now the killer. So now without her helpful strategies, we are completely doomed. Like seriously, completely doomed. Alright, oh god, no, it's Cookie Monster! It's Crooked Cookie Monster! Oh god, no. Cookie Monster is after my butt. We're being attacked by a bunch of scary puppets. By a lot of puppets that have been possessed. And I don't know who created this game, but it's wrong at so many levels. Oh god, no! I'm the last one left. Oh, never mind. I'm not the last one left. Where the heck is that pickaxe? Okay, good. She has the board. Alright, good. Alright, put that in there. Now we gotta find the fish. We gotta find the fish. Gotta find the fishy fish. As long as Cookie Monster doesn't get us. Okay, good. She found the fish. Oh god, no! Girl, run! Oh, no! Go get the fish! No! He's distracted. Go get the fish. Yes, got the fish. No. Oh god. Here you go. Good, we fed the bear. Gave the bear the fish. Oh no!
What you say? But you only meant well, 'cause you did what you say. That it's all for the best, 'cause it is what you say. That it's just what we need, you decided this, what you say. What did
Are
you
you
say?
serious? Bro, Cookie Monster just killed me like I was a cookie. Whatever, man. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing chapter 3, which is the forest. You can't run forever. This looks like a good place to hide. Oh, is it? Oh, is it? And guess what? I'm the killer. Hopefully it'll be, like, better than the last one. Come on, hurry up. Here's me. You're my first victim. Bro, I bet you're like in the Matrix. This guy's like in the Matrix. But seriously, like, where's the sprint at? First victim down, next victim. The bacon-haired guy. Well, I got the girl. Gotcha! You're gone. You're done. You're done. Alright, next one. The next victim. Ooh, y'all better find your way out of here. You're cornered. Gotcha! Gotcha! GC Jew. red-haired girl. Next up, Jake, the Jake Paul fan. I'm confused. Why is he named the goat Waylon? He doesn't look anything like a goat. What type of lag? Versus lag. The lagging. Yes! Got him! Got him! Got him! Red-eyed! Nothing there. Come on, where are they? Haha! Gotcha! Oh my god, they're nearly gonna... Oh, heck now! I'm not letting you win! I'm not letting you win! I'm not letting you win! No! Oh, thank God. Gotcha! Heh heh. You thought you were gonna make it out. Now, where's the last victim? La 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 la. Zomboss's world. Oh, there's like 3 more. There's like 2 more. Got one. Just go my way around. Gotcha! Heh 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 heh. I see the last victim. You're not gonna get away with this. That's what I'm gonna do. Heh. You thought. Heh. That made me feel better after all the after all the rage. That made me feel better after all the rage I had to go through. Heh. 25 coins and 385 XP. Whoa! Whoa!
Well, guys, I'm gonna end this all off. Oh my god, it was so stressful. I mean, I was... Someone tricked me, or trolled, whatever to, into thinking that they got the key. And Oscar was chasing us. A Cookie Monster killed me.
And all that made me feel better when I was the killer, which was Elmo. And, yeah. If you want to see more of Puppet right over here, then don't forget to kick that like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.